The theory of black swan events. The black swan theory, or the theory of black swan events, is a metaphor that describes an event that comes as a surprise, as a major effect, and is often rationalized after the fact. The theory was developed by Nicholas Taleb to explain, number one, the non-computability of the probability of rare events using scientific methods, and two, the psychological biases that blind people to uncertainty into rare events' massive role in historical affairs. The black swan event stems from what was a common belief that all swans were white. But in 1697, a Dutch explorer discovered black swans in Australia. It has been suggested that 9/11 attacks on the World Trade Centers and the Pentagon were black swan events that could not have been predicted. However, that was not the first terrorist attack on U.S. soil. In fact, we have had many such attacks. The Wall Street bombing that occurred September 16th of 1920 in the financial district of Manhattan was by a horse-drawn wagon of 100 pounds of dynamite and 500 pounds of cast iron weights that exploded in a timer-set detonation. The blast killed 38 people and injured 143. However, the Wall Street bombing killed more people than the 1910 bombing of the Los Angeles Times, which was the deadliest on U.S. soil up to that point. While the U.S. is still a neutral country, in 1916, Germany carried out sabotage, terrorist attacks, targeting munition factories, warehouses, and ships in an attempt to thwart U.S. trade with Europe. It appears that black swan events occur more frequent than we realize when we look at a longer timeline. I would suggest that positive black swan events also occur much more frequent than recognized. A small decision today can create a big benefit or event in the future. For example, starting what appears to be a small crowdfunding project can create significant donations in the not-so-distant future. So get free, no obligation information on how you can get needed funding for any worthwhile project by going to modernfundraising.info. Again, that's modernfundraising.info. Well, this is Bill Moist, MSCPA. Until our next video, sharing today the theory of black swan events.